Are you looking for a way to defend yourself from a narcissistic person? Then this video is for you. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and activate the notification bell. Give this video a like and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Narcissists can be extremely manipulative and toxic, and dealing with them can be truly exhausting. That's why today we're going to look at 20 positive affirmations that can help you maintain your self-esteem and protect yourself from harmful behaviors. Let's start with a fundamental concept: self-awareness. Always remember that you are a unique and valuable person, regardless of what someone might try to make you believe. Repeat out loud, "I am worthy. My self-esteem does not depend on others' approval." This is the first step in building a solid barrier against unjustified criticism and attempts at manipulation. I have the right to be respected and treated with kindness. Narcissists tend to belittle and despise others to feel superior. Repeating this affirmation can help you remember that respect is a fundamental right of yours. Now let's focus on trusting your own decisions. Narcissists often try to make you doubt your choices to better control you. I trust my judgment and decisions. This will give you the strength to follow your instincts and not let someone else manipulate you. I do not allow anyone to define my worth. Narcissists love to make negative comments to undermine your self-esteem. Remember that your worth does not depend on their words, but on what you know about yourself. I have the right to set healthy boundaries. There's nothing wrong with protecting your personal space and saying no when necessary. Another important aspect is authenticity. Narcissists often try to make you feel inadequate or wrong. I am proud of who I am, and I will not change to please others. Being authentic is key to living a satisfying and fulfilling life. I recognize attempts at manipulation and do not get involved. This awareness will help you stay calm and avoid falling into narcissists' emotional traps. Let's not forget the importance of social support. Surround yourself with people who support and value you. I deserve to be surrounded by people who respect and appreciate me. This will help you build a support network that will protect you from negative influences. I forgive myself for my mistakes and learn from them. Practicing self-compassion is essential. No one is perfect, and we all make mistakes. This attitude will help you grow and become more resilient. Toxic people often try to distract you and divert you from your path. I am focused on my goals and do not allow anyone to distract me. Another affirmation that can make a difference is, "My happiness depends on me." Don't let a narcissist take control of your emotional well-being. Remember that you are the architect of your own happiness. I am strong and capable of overcoming any difficulty. This affirmation will give you the strength to face and overcome the challenges that a narcissist may create. I have the right to express my feelings. Narcissists often try to make you feel guilty about your emotions. Remember that expressing your feelings is your right. I remain true to my values and principles. Don't let a narcissist make you deviate from your moral path. I have the power to choose my relationships. You are not obligated to maintain toxic relationships in your life. Choose who deserves to be part of it. I am grateful for the positive things in my life. This will help you maintain a positive perspective even in difficult times. I do not allow anyone to control my emotions. Narcissists often try to manipulate our feelings. Remember that you are in charge of your emotions. I am worthy of love and respect. Don't let a toxic person make you feel less than you are. I am free to be myself. Don't let anyone stifle your true essence. And finally, but not least, remember, I deserve to live a happy and fulfilling life. Don't let a narcissist make you believe otherwise. These positive affirmations are powerful tools to strengthen your self-esteem and protect yourself from toxic behaviors. Repeat them whenever you need, and remember that you deserve to be treated with respect and kindness. Do you have any other affirmations or suggestions to share with the community? Write them in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you soon.